Detecting your cholesterol level from your eyes. The presence of cholesterol in the eye can be detected by an eye doctor during a routine eye exam. Specifically, an eye doctor can observe cholesterol deposits in the form of yellowish bumps or plaques on the eyelids or around the eye limbus. It appears as a yellow circle around the limbus called arcus senilis, which can be an indication of high cholesterol levels in the blood. However, it is important to note that detecting cholesterol deposits in the eye is not a reliable method of diagnosing high cholesterol levels, as these deposits may also be present due to other factors such as genetics or age. A proper blood test is required to accurately measure cholesterol levels in the body. If you are concerned about your cholesterol levels, it is recommended that you consult with your primary care physician or a lipid specialist who can assess and manage your lipid profile. Now, if you have found this video useful, please click on the like button. Also, subscribe so as to get more useful videos that could help you in your eye care. Finally, place your comment below to let us know what topics you are interested in knowing.